so we have a tie rod here. We want to replace just this tie rod end, mainly because this boot would be worn. This one is actually good, so we're just going to show you. But it'd be worn, it'd be broken, and so dirt and debris gets in there and makes it go bad. All right, so this is it's an 18. You put it on here. If you have an impact wrench, you can easily do that. But then you would take this off, and then you can hit a hammer on here because you're not going to keep this anymore. So you can hit a hammer, or they have pullers that'll grip here and pull it off, pop it off, right? But you're going to just tap that off. Then you're going to want 2 wrenches, one that will hold here and one that holds here, because you're going to loosen this as you're holding. If you're holding here, you're going to be loosening this back one to back this nut off. But we want to make a mark here so that when we put the new one back on, we'll have it as close as we possibly can to the existing adjustments. And if that, and then we tighten it up once you're taking this off, and then you can screw this off and then replace this whole unit. And we put a new one back on, it goes back here, and we have our markings that we made to line up with fingernail polish, some white paint, whatever. And then we're going to line those all back up and then tighten it all up, put this nut back on, tighten it to torque spec, and then we will also, when we're all done, probably do both sides at the same time, but when you're all done, then you'll still need to go get it aligned for proper alignment.